Ripping out posters to hang on my wall.
Wasn't me.
Top 2K.
How long will I slide? Will separate my side? I don't believe it's bad. Slitting my blood is all I am.